excited oh. May gamay excavator oh. Excavator. Muna yung gusto oh. Do you want to drive excavator? Yes. Oh, pagpuyo, pagpuyo. Yeah, I know. It's not gone. Oh, dirira. Don't go far. So, naday diha among kuan, nadiha among septic tank. Excavator. May isa, excited kay mo tan-aw sa excavator. Can we go inside?
No, I don't like it.
Why?
No.
Why?
I'm going to the excavator. Why is he water?
May hose nga nakuan. Ako dun sa nang hose. Murag sprinkler yata. Sa sprinkler. Ang bata dito.
I want to up.
Oh, let's go there. Here, come here. If you want to look, come here.
No, look at that excavator.
I know.
Ow, I dipped my meat.
Let me hold you so that you won't jump there.
I cannot.
Hi, hey, come on. You want me to? Let go, go.
Whoa! He's pouring concrete in there. What? He's pouring concrete.
Pouring concrete. That's it. Sit down.
The tank is going. See, a load of cake. I see it's a rock. Mom, it's a rock.
That's the cover of the septic tank.
Mom, can you go in there? Let me go.
No, you cannot. No. Is this like an old style septic tank?
So there's overflow. That's why that black is around. The water's been trying to come out from the stem.
That's why it goes there, is it?
Yeah. It's supposed to have a baffle. So this concrete thing right here is supposed to be as high as that.
It's inside. About that, like it needs to be pumped. That's what I mean.
State recommends every
3 to 5 years.
It looks like it's been a while.
You think it's been a while?
Bottom of the tank. Usually you don't see it like that. But 8 years.
Yeah, that's like a lot.
But it might be something that's repairable. I mean, it could be, it could not be. I'll have to probe the drain field, see what it looks like. But that's a problem, is the water's not leaving the tank like it should.
Okay. Ew.
You!
Yuck.
Yay! Let me check at the excavator.
Ooh.
Back in time.
What? Back in time? Really?
Whoa! Excavator.
Excavator.
Whoa.
Excavator.
I love excavator.
You love excavator?
I love